Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on profit in equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a fundamentally sound future multi-bagger stock where Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has bought 3 crore 35 lakh shares during the last quarter. With this, his stake in the company has gone up to 3.45% as per the December shareholding pattern. Now friends, please don't trust us blindly. Please go through the December and September shareholding pattern as is present in the description section. Also, if you like the content that we produce on this channel, please don't forget to share this video. This helps the channel grow and motivates us to prepare more such content for you in the future. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is the Federal Bank Limited, which is available at rupees 86.50 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is FEDERALBNK. Now the Federal Bank Limited is a banking company which operates through 4 segments, which are treasury, corporate or wholesale banking, retail banking and other banking operations. As is evident from the 1-year chart, the company did not have a very good time throughout the year and it's only recently that it has shown some strength. The market cap of the company is 17,160.78 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The EPS of 5.08 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 17.03, which is much more cheaper when compared with the industry PE of 33.92. The price to book ratio of 1.41 is also not wildly expensive. The company has a current ratio of 0.05, which indicates how well the company can cover its liabilities. The percentage of net NPA is 1.72% and is also showing a downward trajectory, which is a positive. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go to the description of this video and check the contents of the December and September shareholding pattern to check the truth behind this video. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.